Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's I'm sharing the second edition of how to bleach your face at home, as I already shared it on my channel before, but as it is a requested video, I'm doing it again. So first of all, we need to wash our face with clean water, and after cleaning your face with water, need to clean it again with a cleansing milk, as I am doing. You can see. So after cleaning our face, let's open the box. So it is a Oxy Bleach. I bought it from the supermarket Coop in Italy, and I paid it about €7 for this box. This box containing a container and a spatula with 8 mono portions of the bleach. So you can do it the 8 times, this box containing. So this packet is looked like this. One packet contains the cream and the second one contains the activator. So let's open the packaging and mix it with the container they given. Friends, you can do face bleaching at home very easily, as I'm showing in this video. So if you are not willing to go to the salon or waste your time and money, you can do it at your home very easily. I usually do face bleaching with the gap of 3 to 4 months. It means I do it 3 or 4 times a year. I advise to do face bleach every 3 to 4 months, as I do. If you have too much dark hair problem on your face, then you can do it every month, but not more than that. Mix it very well with the spatula they given, and it will form a pinkish creamy texture. Then apply it on your face where you have the most problematic area of the hair, where you have the most dark hair area. So usually we have there in the jawline, so I am applying it there. First of all, you need to apply your bleach the opposite direction of the hair and then to the downwise, as I am doing. Apply first on your jawline area, then on your forehead, then cheek, chin, neck, and in the end apply on your cheeks, as the cheeks is the most sensitive area. I'm having the most sensitive area, the cheeks on my face. That's why I apply in the end of that area. So apply on the whole face and then on the cheeks. As my cheeks have almost no hairs on that, so I'll apply it in the last. So I am done with applying the face bleach, and I'll wait for 10 minutes and then I'll wash it with cold water. Now it's 10 minutes and I'm washing it with cold water, but before washing it with cold water, I'm wiping it with the baby wipes. Wiping it off with the baby wipes helps you so much and make your process so easier, as the cream contains the soap and it takes too much time to wash it off. So I usually wipe it off with the baby wipes. If you are comfortable of doing this, you can do it too. So after wiping, wash your face with cold water. Always use cold water, as the skin become very sensitive after bleaching. So I washed my face and dry it with clean towel with dapping motion. Never wipe your face with towel after bleaching your face. Then after bleaching, apply your moisturizing cream which you are using, because moisturizing is must after bleaching, and avoid makeup. I usually do it in the evening or weekend. You can see the result, how good it is. So friends, hope this video helps. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for all the notification. Friends, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram too. My hashtag is always wishlistwithNidhi. I make video every Tuesday and Friday on fashion, beauty, fitness, lifestyle, vlogging, hacks, recipes, remedies and unboxing. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Thanks for watching.